This is the part 2 video of Location Ricky Media Segregation. After uploading the videos in YouTube, you have to copy the links and paste them in this file like I have done for this Udaipur Fairmont project. Firstly, you have to keep all the screenshots which have been shared in WhatsApp or Google Drive. So after uploading this type of photos and videos, you have to make sure that you should cross check each and every file. Like in the Google Drive file 1 link, there are 73 total files. In those 73 files, 40 are the images and 33 are the videos. In those 40 images, there are 20 images of JPG format and 20 images of DNG format, which means the same image is in two formats. So we have to compare the resolution by uploading it in Canva. Like this is the JPG format image. This type of same image will be repeated in the Google Drive file, which is in DNG format. So to check that, you have to go to Google Drive link. So in this you can see the preview also here, like this image and this image both are same, this image and this image, these both are same, and this video is also same. And in Google Drive you can also check out like which type of media it is. For this symbol or icon, you can see that there are some two mountains which represents image, and for videos you will get this type of symbol which is representing like a real type of symbol, which means this is in video format. So for this, if you want to check the file details, you have to click on this three dots icon, then go to file information, then in the details, or you can simply press like alt V and then D. Let me show you. If I have clicked on this image, you have to press alt V D. Sorry, it's not coming, so we can continue it manually. In this you can see the file format in the ending. You can see also the file name like DJI. So this is date and this is month. Sorry, this is year, this is month, this is date, which means 8/7/2025. And this will represent timestamp, I think so, 19/4/200, I don't know. But you have to only check the file name like 0001 it is, and the last one is JPG format. So for the same photo which is in DNG format, so how should you know these images are same? Like you have to compare the name in this format. In this image also you can see that 0001, which means both these are same shots but in different formats. You can see here DNG and you can see here JPG. So let me show you the preview also. This is the DNG format. You can also see the file name here. This is 0001 in DNG format. When you click on the next one, this is 0001 in JPG format, which means the image is same but it is in different formats. So you have to check out like here some are the blacks in the image, which is comparatively bad uh, if we are comparing it from JPG format. So you can also check out like copy pasting the DNG and JPG file for one time. So for doing that you have to click here, sorry, you have to download this because we are unable to find the copy option in this Google Drive. If we are copying the Google Drive, it is copy pasting the name, so you have to download the image. So let me show you by downloading it. I have downloaded this DNG format photo. So for that you have to create a new folder downloading the images. Like, go after going here, you can select new folder. So you have to rename it like Fairmont Udaipur. In brackets you can also mention the project name, like this is the IMA project, so that we can get the file whenever we want it. Like in future events we can also use the same file. So after creating the folder, you have to save this. You can also see here, this is DNG file. This is the second file. After clicking on download, you have to go to the same file, Fairmont Udaipur EMA project, then save it here. Like, these two images have been saved, one is DNG and another is JPG. So after saving these files, just simply copy pasting it in Canva, we can know the difference. When you keep this cursor here for some 2 to 3 seconds, you can get the information like file information, which is showing item type, which is of DNG file. So that means this is the DNG file I am copy pasting here. It is saying like we could not upload some files, so it's okay that they are not accepting the DNG file. Sometimes some persons will share various types of formats, so we have to check that. And after clicking on this, we have to wait for 2 to 3 seconds until the image type should will be shown, like item type is JPG file here. So we can drag it here, it will be uploaded. So coming to downloading the files from Google Drive, so you have to firstly check out whatever all the files in the Google Drive link. Like here there are two formats for one image, and same thing for videos also. Like so this is the video file. When you click here and go to the file information and then details, you can see the video. Like for video also there is some serial number, which is 0003 LRF, which means after this dot, if something is coming, which means it is the type of format of the file which we have been selected. For the 003 video file, there is LRF format, and when we click here, this is the same 0003 file. This is in MP4 format, and this is the another file which is of serial number 0003, which is in SRT format. So we have to make sure that mostly the video should be shared in MP4 format only, because MP4 format is supported in all various types of devices, like in Android, Windows, or Mac OS. So it will be better for us to give the requirement of MP4 video itself. avoiding all this type of disturbances and saving our time. So after checking this, we have to download the mp4 file only. And coming to the downloading procedure, you have to select a single file, like this is the image. So firstly we have to download all the images, because there are images and videos in this Google Drive link. So firstly we have to select all the images itself. So for selecting these images, you have to hold control button, then which image you want to select, you can click on the image, it will be selected. So before selecting, make sure that you can see the symbol of image here, like here is the image format and here is the video format. So videos we should not select. For videos we have to download the it for second time. So firstly we have to select all the images like this, holding the control button. So if mistakenly you have selected some video like this, here I am selecting it intentionally. So if you want to only remove this one video, so you have to hold the control button and click on it one more time, so that it will be deselected. For selection and deselection also you have to hold the control button. Like this you have to select and download it from here. So when you download it, it will be converted into a zip file. Like I have selected only 10 files, but you have to select all the image files which are here in this Google Drive link. So it is showing here like zipping 10 files. After completion of zipping, it will be showing us some type of pop-up window where we can save our this zip file. So in downloads, you have created one folder like which is Fairmont Udaipur EMA project. You have to click here and save it here in this folder instead of saving it randomly here and there, so that all the data should be in only one folder, and which leads to the accuracy, and without any errors our work will be completed easily. So initially I have downloaded some photos which I will delete them, and after completing download of this file, you have to click on this and extract all the files, and then select on extract button. All the extracted images will be shown here, like in the Fairmont Udaipur file we have downloaded this zip file. After extraction of the zip file, there is one folder which will be formed newly. So in that folder we can get all these images, like here the serial number is 0001 and the serial number is repeated two times, which means either the file is downloaded two times or the file type is different. Like here it is dng file and this is jpg file. When you click on it and keep your cursor on it, you can see here jpg file, which means the same image is in two formats. So you have to check it, like for checking it easily, you can also select here like by view in the details. In the view option, when you go in details, like you can see here name, date, type, size, tags. So you have to extend this, like when you drag this from here to here, so you can read out the total name of the file, which will be shown here. It is 0001D. So you have to check out the file type which is in dng format, and this is the same file 0001, but it is in jpg format. So the same image is repeating two times. So for this you have to select the dng type of files and make sure that before selecting you have to check out that is 0001 file is in jpg format or not. Sometimes the persons who are sharing us, they will forget, or in selection they may also do some type of errors. So to make sure that we have to check the numbers before selecting it, like I have selected 0001 one time and the second is here remaining, so that which means the image is repeated two times and I am selecting one and deleting it. So for the second image also, for the other image, like this you have to select and check that for the selected files, is there any other file there or not. Like for this dng file of 0001 serial number, I have the same file in jpg format, so there is no error in deleting these photos. So I can delete them which are not supportable or which we can't upload in Canva, like the dng file images will not be uploaded in Canva, so we can delete them to avoid the confusion. We have to do the same thing for videos also, but in videos there is same type of serial number. You can see here in type slr lrt or mp4, like that. You have to prefer mp4 first and the lrt is the second priority. If you didn't got any mp4 video, then you should go to the lrt video, so that we can upload them in Google, YouTube, and we have to download that from here. Like some LRT files will not be, uh, we are not able to open some type of LRT files in our Windows, or if we open some LRT files, we can open it in VLC player. So you can see here it is working properly, because of it is the small video which is of 20 seconds, it is going or running smoothly. But for some large files the video won't run smoothly, it will get stuck and our time will be wasted. So this LRF type of videos may be uploaded in Canva or not, I don't know, but it is better for us to maintain the MP4 format for the videos. And to download the video files which are uploaded in YouTube, we have to copy the link of the YouTube video. Like if I want to download this video from YouTube, so after clicking on share you have to copy the link. After copying the link, go to all bookmarks. In those all bookmarks you can find YouTube video downloader YT1D. After clicking here, simply paste the video link and click on the search button. It is showing verifying and success. Then after, you can download the video in 1080p resolution, 1080p. So clicking here, you can download the video if you want. Like for some type of LRT or some other formats, we are unable to upload them directly in Canva, so that we have to upload them in YouTube and download it from here. So after downloading we can extract the files easily. Like if we are searching for frame extractor, so here whichever the video you have downloaded, you can upload it here and do the same procedure which I have explained in the video one. Like you have to keep the 1000 value as standard, and for this video it is of 1 minute 7 seconds, so you have to mention like in 1 minute there are 60 seconds, so 60 plus 7, which means 67 seconds, and you have to extract from here. So the extraction process will be initiated, and we can copy paste these images simply from here to Canva. So you can check out here, like you have entered 67. You can check the number of this frame, like for the fourth second this image is been shown. Like you can also cross check, like uh, did the extraction of my video file is done totally or not. For it is generating like that. You will get 67 shots of uh, images of this video.